Investments into high tech of printing delivered from various countries such as Switzerland, Germany, Italy, Japan and the Netherlands account for the major part of success of Garsų pasaulis. Our printing house carries out all printing processes, including the preparation for printing, dispersion of colors, printing, treatment, and of course, delivery. High-capacity multicolor printing equipment used in the new printing house of Garsų pasaulis allows carrying out even the largest orders quickly and with the highest quality. Pamphlets and leaflets, calendars and posters, the most complex packaging in various sizes and shapes, the result has never left any room for doubt. Being aware of increasing needs of clients, we do our best to go hand in hand with high tech. We have acquired the state-of-the-art equipment, and thus we have provided our clients with the opportunity to receive a more beautiful product.